Don't worry, I can hear you. You can speak.
Okay. I'd like to know that what is the definition of home according to you?
What's the definition of a home?
Yeah.
But there are lots of definitions of a home. It means something different to each one. But as a woman, for me, I just think that it's your space, and it's something you call your own, and something that you make with your own hands. That for me is a home. And obviously relationships and faladimka and all of that gets included when you want to make it sound flowery. But a home is something that everyone aspires to have, small or big. And yeah, it's personal and very, very special.
Good afternoon, Vijay Shankar here from the media and an artist as well. Well, this is for Mr. Heme. Will you be providing legal guidelines in the sense that suppose I have purchased a flat and I have been cheated due to whatsoever reason? In such an instance, if I approach you, how would you, guide me like?
Okay, thanks so much. Good question. You see, what happens is we're catering to a pan-India audience with multiple developers. So while at our end, it is our constant endeavor to make sure that we work with the biggest and the best developers who have a quality product at the right price, we would always say that the home is the one most expensive thing that you will buy in your lifetime. So you should do entire due diligence and legal processes yourself. We could guide you to some of the best legal firms who work with us, but we would expect the end buyer to do his entire study and due diligence before he puts his life's hard-earned savings with a developer.